Very hot weather today. High temperatures soaring to near 90 here in the valley and points west, and it was in the mid 80s in Lakes Country. Must see video. We're going to start you out with this. This is an incredible video shared this evening. It happened today. Dust devils. They can be pretty interesting. Here, if you watch closely on the left side, you're going to see this canopy or tent start to, I don't know, kind of blow its way into the parking lot. Here it comes. Watch now as some folks run out to go rescue said canopy. There's somebody chasing it down from both sides there. Tackle the canopy, make sure it don't blow away. Here's the main event. The dust devil gets it. She's right in the middle of it. Look at that. Hopefully she's okay. I'm sure she got a face full of dirt and dust, but luckily nobody got hit hard by that canopy as it went swirling around. Thanks so much, Megan, for sharing that video. That's from the Dakota Boys and Girls Ranch here in Fargo today. So a little bit of interesting weather, even though the skies look like this most of the day. Mostly sunny, 78 degrees out there at Hector right now, 79 at Moorheads Airport, and we have very light winds from the south. Elsewhere, temperatures still in the 70s in all locations. Lower 70s in Bemidji and Baudette, 75 for Thief River, 73 in Gwinner, and Jamestown you have 72 degrees. A few showers and sprinkles still where they've been for the majority of the day. We're talking Beltrami County moving south into Hubbard County and Clearwater County. Nothing substantial, but they've been in that area throughout the day, so hit and miss sprinkles. More substantial rain from the Missouri and Mississippi River valleys all the way up into the northern part of the Atlantic for us overnight. This cool front starts to retreat as we go through the overnight hours, and well, we have this boundary: cooler air to the east, warmer air to the west. In the morning we all start out in the low to mid 60s and we warm up very quickly. By your lunch hour already we'll be in some places as warm as we were all day today. So we're talking 80s for most of us and zipping right up into that 90-degree range where you see the red colors start to show up here and there. And it will be a warm one in Lakes Country as well with mid 80s for you. I can't rule out a sprinkle, but I wouldn't count on it. It's going to be sunny and dry for most and sizzling hot once again as we see temperatures rise a couple of degrees. So your forecast for tomorrow, we'll have temperatures rising from the mid 80s to the low 90s by 5 o'clock. And don't leave the meat on there too long. It might end up like shoe leather. 88 in Jamestown tomorrow afternoon, and your hometown forecast at 4 o'clock. 88 Oaks, 92 in Grand Forks, and 83 in Bemidji. And look at this dandy shot here. Height of Land Lake, if you've ever had a chance to get off the beaten path in northern Becker County there. Just absolutely stunning and beautiful. Aaron, thanks for sharing this shot. Here's a look at your planning forecast as we go through Friday. Hotter still by a couple of degrees. Notice we're hovering in the low to mid 90s all the way through your Independence Day. On your Sunday, we are expecting a cold front to move through, the timing of which right now looks to be late in the day. That means Mother Nature could bring some fireworks in the form of thunderstorms. The relief in the form of cooler air does not arrive for most areas till we get into next week, you guys. Still, though, above average in the mid 80s, and we'll have a chance of spotty showers and thunderstorms throughout the period.
And you're not forecasting any dust devils either.
No, those are real hard to forecast. So if you see one, maybe don't try to go rescue the 2x4 because you could get whacked.
Yep. Good advice.
That was crazy. We were gasping in here.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Phil Cosby back in the